This is how to use Airdrop to transfer files from an iPhone to a MacBook Pro. On our computer, we need to double check that Airdrop is able to receive from other devices. So in our control center at the top right corner, we're going to check that Airdrop can receive from everybody. We'll need to do the same thing on your iPhone. The control center on your iPhone can be accessed by dragging the top right-hand corner of your screen down and holding down the top left icon so we can find our Airdrop settings. We want to be receiving from everyone for the next 10 minutes. Now both our cell phone and our laptop are ready for sharing using Airdrop. The next step is to go to our photos to select the videos that we would like to transfer using Airdrop and make those selections. Click the share icon in the bottom left hand of the screen and select Airdrop. Our devices should appear on this menu here. Your laptop has a number, and you should select the device that appears that has your numbered laptop on it so that it shares to the right computer. Your laptop will prompt you to accept the file that's being sent from your phone, and you want to make sure to select Save to Downloads. That way that file can be easily accessed in our Downloads folder, and then wait for the file to send. Here we have our Downloads folder that appears, and we can drag that shared file out onto the desktop to be added to a Final Cut Pro library or another project folder. This is how to transfer files from a cell phone to a MacBook Pro using Microsoft OneDrive. On your cell phone, you can email your videos to your student email and they'll appear in OneDrive, or you can sign into the OneDrive app. We're going to open our OneDrive application and use the plus sign to create a new folder. Title this folder with the name of your project. Once that new folder opens up, we can use the plus sign to upload our photos and videos. Scroll through your photo library to navigate to the videos that you'd like to share, and then make those selections and click Done. It's asking us to select them again for upload to the folder. After a few moments, your videos will begin uploading to this OneDrive folder, and if you select the video progress, you can see how long it'll take for them to fully upload. Once the upload is complete, your files should be visible in your OneDrive account on your computer. On your laptop, you should sign into your OneDrive account and navigate to the FTVE project folder that you created, and your files will be visible and able to be downloaded to your laptop. Downloads will appear in both Google Chrome and in your Downloads folder via the Finder, and you can drag those out to the desktop to be added to a Final Cut Pro library or added to another project folder. This is how to use Google Drive to transfer files from a cell phone to a MacBook Pro. First, you'll need to open Google Drive on your phone and make sure you're signed in. We're going to click the plus sign to create a folder, and we're going to title the folder the name of your project. In order to organize our uploads into this folder, we'll make sure that the folder is open prior to uploading any files. You can see that I'm trying to navigate to the folder and have trouble finding it, but you can use the search engine to search for your folder. Once the folder is open, we can upload a file. Select Photos and Videos and allow access. Navigate to your photos and videos for selection. Make your selections and press Upload. After waiting patiently for a few moments, you'll begin to see that your uploads will appear in your folder in the order that you selected them. Now your photos and videos are uploaded to Google Drive. On your computer, you'll need to be logged into Google on Chrome or the Drive app, and then you need to go to your menu to access Drive. Make sure you're signed in, and you can navigate to the same folder that you uploaded on your phone and download your videos from Google Drive on Chrome. Downloads will begin to appear in Chrome and in your Downloads folder. You might need to select Allow Multiple Downloads if you're selecting more than one. And you can see that we can navigate to our Downloads folder through the Finder. And here are your videos that we just downloaded from Google Drive. Now you can drag these photos and videos out of the Downloads folder and into a Final Cut Pro library or another project folder.